Hi guys, I'm Daisy. Today we are visiting a very special place. Right inside Bob's colorful toolbox. Shh, listen closely. I think someone is waking up. Good morning, everyone. Today is a wonderful day because it's time to fix up the old treehouse in the backyard. But every tool has a very different and very important job to do. Let's see who's going to start first. Hey friends, I'm Hank. I am big, strong, and super happy. Do you know what my job is? It's tapping nails right into their places. Tap, tap, tap. Are the boards on our treehouse a little wobbly? I'm right here to help. Hold me tight by my handle, look at the nail, and tap, tap, tap. There you go. The boards are nice and safe now. Remember, kids, I always love to keep the beat when I work. Tap, tap, tap. My turn, my turn. Hello, everyone. I'm Sammy. Hank taps the nails, but I love to twist the secret heroes, the screws. Look at the top of my head. It's shaped just like a star, right? Whenever I see star-top screws, I pop right into them. Then, what do? I spin and turn to the right. Whiz, whiz, whiz! I tighten the screws super tight so nothing moves at all. Who do you think keeps the batteries inside your toys from falling out? That's right, it's me. I just love to spin. Hello, little builders. My name is Wally. Friends call me an adjustable wrench. I have a very special superpower. Do you see this little wheel on my head? When I turn it, my mouth can open super wide or close really small. Click, click, click. That way, I can hold on to big bolts or tiny little pipes tightly. I grab them and turn them with all my strength. Is the garden faucet leaking water? Don't worry at all. Wally tightens the pipe and stops the leak right away. Hi there, sweet kids. I'm Sally. Look, I have lots of little sharp teeth underneath me. But don't be scared. These teeth are just for cutting tree branches and big pieces of wood. When Bob wants to make a new window for the treehouse, he brings the big board to me. Then I sit right on top of the wood and start singing my favorite song. Zigzag, back and forth. Zigzag, back and forth. And look, it's all ready. The wood is cut to the perfect size. Big jobs are just right for me. And last but not least, here I am. I'm Max. Do you see this long yellow tape with numbers on it rolling out from my tummy? I'm a tape measure. Before Sally cuts the wood and before Hank taps the nails, they always ask me first. Why? Because everything needs to be just the right size. I pull my tape out and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This right here is exactly 8 inches, I say. And when we're all done, I pull my tape right back inside. Green! Measuring is the best fun ever. See that, kids? Everyone has a different color, shape, and job. But when they come together, they make an amazing team and make the treehouse super strong. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go! Oh, wait a minute, friends. Our adventure isn't over just yet. Look over there, near the big oak tree. The wooden steps leading up to our beautiful treehouse are a little loose, and oh no, the little birdhouse on the branch is tilting to the side. The baby birds need our help. Orange. Let's get back to work, team. Hank, are you ready for round 2? Look at that loose step on the ladder. Hank bounces up with a giant smile. He finds a loose nail, taps his feet, and goes, tap, tap, tap. One more time. Tap, tap, tap. Wow, look at that. The step is completely steady now. You can climb up safely without any wobbling. Good job, Hank. You are the rhythm master. But wait,
Yellow.
we need Sammy the screwdriver too. The roof of the little birdhouse has a loose screw.
Green.
And the cold wind is getting inside. Sammy spins into action, going round and round like a little dancer.
Red.
He finds the star-shaped screw on the birdhouse roof. Whiz, whiz, whiz! Sammy turns to the right, tightening it up perfectly. Now the baby birds will stay warm and cozy inside their little home. Thank you, Sammy. You always know how to turn things around. Uh-oh, look down here. The water pipe for the garden bird bath is shaking, and the bolts are a bit loose. This is a job for Wally the wrench. Wally steps up and turns his magical little wheel. Click, click,
Green.
click, until his mouth fits the shiny bolt perfectly. With a big, friendly hug, Wally grips the bolt and gives it a strong turn. Clack! It's tight. Now the water can fill the bird bath safely, and the birds can splash around all day long. You did it, Wally!
Yellow. Pink.
Purple! Now Bob wants to build a small wooden fence around the flowers under the treehouse, so nobody steps on them. Sally the saw is super excited. Her sharp little teeth are ready to sing again. Max the measuring tape runs over first to help her.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Max rolls out his bright yellow tape from his tummy. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 inches.
Texas 202. Skip
Blue.
to my darling.
Max shouts happily. Vup! He snaps his tape back in.
Orange.
Then Sally slides right onto the wood, singing her favorite song.
Red.
Zigzag, back and forth. Zigzag, back and forth. Snap!
Lost my partner. What'll I do?
Yellow.
What'll I do?
The perfect little fence piece is ready. Together, they build a beautiful, safe fence for the flowers. Blue! Wow, what an incredible day in the backyard! The treehouse steps are safe, the birdhouse is warm, the bird bath is fixed, and the flowers are protected. Our colorful tool friends look at each other and give a giant high five.
Orange.
They showed us that no matter how big or small you are, everyone is special and important. Pink. When we work together and help our friends, we can fix anything in the world.
Yellow.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Thank you for joining our big playground adventure today.